Hey Boredom Crafters! In today's video, we're going to make a mini notebook slash a mini sketchbook. You're only going to need some paper and scissors. Yeah, I can't believe it too. It's that easy. But you'll also need some cardboard and glue if you want to make a nice cover for your sketchbook. First, we're going to do a little bit of origami. Get your paper and fold it in half. Fold it really well so that you make a line. Then unfold and fold the paper to the line that you just made. Do this to both sides. Then unfold the paper. This time fold it in half the other way. Fold it really well so that you make a line. Unfold the paper and then fold it to the line that we just made. Do this to both sides. Now we're done with the origami part. Let's start cutting with our scissors. Cut the paper as shown. Leave the last square uncut. Then flip the paper over and cut again, also leaving the last square uncut, so that you make a kind of zigzag shape. Now for the last step, fold your notebook. Fold the papers like this. Ta-da! Now you have your mini notebook. Now I'm going to give you a little tour so you know how to use this notebook. Now, depending on the way you're holding your mini notebook, every page is 4 rectangles. If you're holding it from the other side, every page would be 2 rectangles. So depending on what you're drawing or writing, you can use the different formats of this notebook. You can use the very long pages to write a long to-do list, the very small pages to make a small doodle of something. So there are really many creative ways you can use this notebook. Okay, now let's make the cover for our notebook. Get your piece of cardboard and trace your mini notebook. Cut the cardboard out. Make an identical cover so that you have 2 covers, one for the front and one for the back. Now you can get your glue stick and stick your cover onto your book. I'm done with making the covers for my notebook, but I feel like it looks so dull. It kind of looks like an ice cream sandwich. So I will decorate my notebook by using this old notepad that has a mini drawing on it. I will stick this mini drawing using my glue stick. Now that's better. Now it looks like an actual cover. I'm just going to make sure that it's glued well. For a moment I thought that I stick the image on the wrong side of the book, but then I remembered that you can open this mini notebook from both sides, which is really cool. You can easily make a collection out of these mini notebooks. They're so easy to make. You can make one notebook for doodles, one notebook for to-do lists, one notebook for sketches. The possibilities are endless. So that's why I really like this craft and wanted to share it with you. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe. See you next time!